Good afternoon. Today we're on our second day of our 28-day Instapot recipes. And today we're going to make a really good potato soup. It's cold out, it's a good meal. Okay, our ingredients we're starting with today is 6 cubed potatoes, a cup of ham, a half of an onion, and a stalk of celery. I've got 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of garlic, a teaspoon and a half of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper. And after this is cooked, we've got a few more ingredients to add. And I'm going to add the potatoes first. And then I'm going to add my chicken broth. And then I'll add my ham. And then my onion and my celery. And then my garlic, my salt, and my pepper. And then I'm gonna stir it up really good and try to get everything mixed in good. And now we're gonna put the lid on. You always have to make sure your vent's on right and it will build up pressure. And you have to make sure your Instapot is on pressure cook. And then we have to adjust the time. And we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes. And then you have to make sure that it's on high pressure and the delay is off. And then you set it. And I'll see y'all in about 15, maybe 20 minutes. Okay, our potato soup is done. And we're gonna take the lid off, but we're gonna lean back in case there's any steam in it. Ooh, it looks good. Okay, now we're gonna turn it down to saute. Okay, now we're gonna add the milk, and I did a cup and a half of milk and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then we're gonna stir it good. And then we're gonna add our half a cup of sour cream. And stir it again. We have to stir it for a minute for this to thicken. That looks so good. And now it's time to turn it off. Now I'm gonna dip up a bowl of it and get it ready to eat. All you have to do is add your little cheese and a little more ham, and you're ready to eat.